Good morning, students. Today we start the new lessons. Okay, seventh lesson. In last period we was finished the question answers of the sixth lesson. Okay, now today we start the seventh lesson. It's the air. Okay, in this lesson we studied about the air and its uses. Okay, and also we study about the properties of air. What the properties of air? Okay, so is also we studied in this lesson. Also, composition of air means which gas is present in the air in what percentage. Okay, so this is also we studied. So see, look at this picture. So in this picture, this girl, okay, that girl is her name is Soma. This Soma is blowing her birthday candles. Okay, so what will happen to burning candles? See, what is here is the one question. What will happen to burning candles if Soma is blowing her this candle, birthday candles? And what will happen? Yes, what happened? That candles is stop the burning. Okay, so why that candle stop burning? Because Soma blow the candle. Then what will come out from her mouth? उसके माउथ से क्या आ रहा है? Yes, from her mouth the airs come out. Okay, air come out, and due to this air that candle stop the burning. Okay, so in these lessons we studied or we will learn about air and its uses. Okay, so let us discuss about its properties, composition and uses. This lesson is very simple and very short. Okay, so see first topic, air and its uses. You know, air is an example of a gaseous state of matter. You know three states of matter. Three states of matter. There's solid, liquid and gas. It's the three states of matter. Matter means what? Anything that has a mass and volume. जो भी अपने surroundings में है living things या non-living things that has a space, that occupy the space and has a volume. So air is the gaseous states of matter. Why air is a gaseous state? Because air occupy the space in the environment. Okay. So all living things need air to live. We cannot see, but we can feel that air. Okay, हम देख सकते हैं क्या air को? No, but we can feel it. Okay, so we cannot see, touch and taste air, but we can feel it very well. So the blanket of air that surround the earth is our atmosphere. Okay, above around our earth there is a blanket of air. अपने अर्थ के सराउंडिंग एक एयर का एक ब्लैंकेट जैसा लेयर्स रहता है, उसको एटमॉस्फेयर बोलते हैं. ओके, द ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर दैट सराउंड द अर्थ is our atmosphere. So air found in the atmosphere is a mixture of gases. In that air the different type of gases are present, like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen and other gases, and their percentage is also different. Some gases are present in more percentage, okay, some are less, so their percentage is also different. So what the uses of the air? क्या यूज़ करते हैं हम एयर का? फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट यूज ऑफ द एयर इज टू नीड टू ब्रीदिंग. All living things need air to breathe. It is the most important function of the air. Second, it is necessary for burning. For burning also, air is necessary because in air the oxygen is present and this oxygen is useful for the burning. Third, it helps in drying things. With the help of air, we can dry anything like clothes. Then different things we can dry it. It helps the bird to fly. It's also important function. Then it helps to move sailboat on water and rotate blades of windmills. You know windmills? Pawan chakki, yes. So that have a blades, windmills, and that blades are rotate with the help of moving the air. Okay, fast moving airs that's required, and that's why windmill can rotate. Air is used in the inflating the tires of vehicles. हम टायर्स में जो गैस भरते हैं, ओके, दैट्स also used to inflate the tires of vehicle. So see here, one activity is given to show the presence of water vapor in air. See here what happened, in that glass there is some ice cube, okay, in a glass, and place it on a table. So after some time what happen, you will see small droplets of the water on the outer surface of the glass. आपको ग्लास के बाहर कुछ ड्रॉपलेट्स दिखेंगे वाटर के. So where do these drops come from? ये ड्रॉप्स कहाँ से आए? So these drops come from the air because air contain water vapor, okay, and which cool down on touching the cooler surface of glass. जो उस surface को touch करते हैं तो वहाँ पे वो cool हो जाते हैं and get converted into drops of water. Okay, so it means that in the air the water vapor is present. इससे हमें क्या कंफर्म होता है कि एयर में वाटर वेपर्स रहते हैं. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एयर. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एयर, उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है? ओके, सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, एयर ऑक्युपाई स्पेस. एयर ऑक्युपाई स्पेस. मैंने आपको मैटर की डेफिनेशन बताई. मैटर मीन्स व्हाट? एनीथिंग दैट हैज़ अ मास एंड दैट ऑक्युपाइंग द स्पेस is called a matter. So airs also have the one property, it occupies the space. See, we know that air has a mass and it occupies the space. Thus it can be used to fill into things such as balloons, tires, footballs, mattresses. Okay, airs can occupy space, that's why we can blow the balloon. Okay, we can inflate the tires, footballs एंड अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. करते हैं ना हम यूज़ एयर, उसको यूज़ करके हम डिफरेंट थिंग्स यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि बलून्स रहते हैं, टायर्स रहते हैं, फुटबॉल्स. ओके, सी हियर वन ऑल्सो, वन मोर गिवन एक्टिविटीज. सी you need what? One balloon and you have to blow air into balloon, so you will see the balloon expand and increase its shape. हम जैसे ही बलून्स में एयर भरते हैं तो क्या होता है, वो एक्सपांड होता है, उसका शेप बढ़ जाता है. ओके, सो दैट्स मीन एयर यू ब्लो इनटू बलून, फिल अप द स्पेस इनसाइड द बलून्स. जो बलून में से स्पेस रहती है वो किसने ले लिए? एयर्स ने. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट बिकम्स बिगर एंड दैट इंडिकेट दैट एयर ऑक्युपाई स्पेस. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, see, turn page. See, second, air can move. See, when we spray deodorant on our body, it spread out and we can smell it. So thus air moves. Moving air is called wind. Strong wind causes storm. See, we use the deodorant or perfume. Okay, when you spray it on our body, what happen? We can smell it. हमने अगर एक जगह एक रूम में भी लगाया तो दूसरे में हम जाएंगे तब उसका स्मेल आता है. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई what happened? Actually, it spread out, and thus air moves. Thus, air moves, and moving air is called wind. Because air can move, and due to this moving air, we can smell the things. Okay, like जो मूविंग एयर रहते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? विंड कहते हैं. अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड हुआ तो क्या होता है? स्टॉर्म होता है. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेकेंड वन प्रॉपर्टी. एयर कैन मूव. एयर हैज़ अ वेट. एयर को वेट भी रहता है. एयर हैज़ अ वेट. टेक अ 2 footballs, one without air and one filled with air. Okay, and take them in your hands. You will feel that ball filled up with air is heavier than the other. आप एक घर पे एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं. 2 balls फुटबॉल्स लेने, एक विदाउट एयर लेना है, एक में एयर फिल करके लेना है. ओके, सो इफ़ यू टेक देम इन योर हैंड, व्हाट विल हैपन? यू फील दैट balls that fill with air is heavier than the others. So it shows that air has a weight. Then next property, air is a colorless. Air has no color. It's a colorless glass. कभी देखा है आपने एयर कि येलो रंग की है, ब्लू रंग की है? ओके, नो. सो एयर इज अ कलरलेस ग्लास. देन एयर कैन एक्सपांड. Air is expand on a heating. Air is expand on a heating. Hot air's molecule need more space and they become less dense and lighter in weight than cold airs. Okay, hot air molecule need more space and they become less dense than light in weight than cold air. When you heat the air, what happen? That air become hot and that hot air is need to more space. Okay, and वो कैसे रहती है? Dense. They become a less dense and light in weight than the cold air. So this is the properties of the air. Which first, air has a air occupy the space. Then air can move. Air has weight. Air is colorless, and air can expand. Is the properties of the air. Okay. See, next, composition of air. Compositions means in the air there is a mixture of the gases. There is a mixture of the different type of gases. See, you can see the diagram. Composition of air. So in air, the two main constituent of airs are the nitrogens and oxygens is the main. So in addition to this, air also contains small quantity of carbon dioxides and other gases. In other gases, there is a water vapors, okay, and others gases are present. So see the proportion here, 78% nitrogen is present. Okay, 78% nitrogen, then 21% oxygen is present, and 0.03% carbon dioxide, and only 0.97% is the other gases are present. Okay. So this is the composition of air. And layer of atmospheres. From earth, that layers has a different name. We know the blanket of air surround the earth is the atmospheres. So first layer that near to the earth is the troposphere. Okay, is the troposphere. Then above the troposphere, this is the stratospheres. In tropospheres, the aeroplane can fly. Okay, and at the above layer, this is stratospheres. Then after stratospheres, the mesospheres, then thermospheres and exosphere. Okay, so when the layers is go up, then the percentage of oxygen is less. जैसे आप लेयर अर्थ पे से ऊपर के लेयर तब जाओगे तो वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन कैसी होगी? लेस होगी. you know, at top of high mountain there is less oxygen. Okay, hence what happened, mountain need to carry oxygen cylinder with them. वो अपने साथ ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर लेके जाते हैं. Okay, so this is the compositions of air. How 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide and 0.97% other gases are present here. So do you understood that topic? Today we learn about air, their uses, their properties and composition of airs. So you have to read it carefully at home. Okay, so next topic, that the breathing and burning and their process we will study in next period. Okay, thank you.